Is it okay to contact a prospect, a potential client, via social media instead of sending them an email? I am looking for this specific person, but I do not know how to reach them except for Facebook, where they happen to be a common friend of my ex-colleague. Right? Can I get a letter Y or letter no? Do you think is it okay to contact a prospect via social media? Of course, I've answered this a while ago, just in case you're not listening. It is totally acceptable, especially in the modern times. There are a lot of reasons why. Number one, sometimes you will never be able to get their email address. That's one. Number two, sometimes even if you've sent them an email, it usually gets ignored. Either you keep on getting into the spam inbox, so you never are given the attention. In social media platforms, you have a higher chance of getting that attention that you want because it's part of the messenger. They always check their social media accounts as well, right? So a few considerations. Number one, yes, you can do both. However, I would still recommend when you've contacted the person on Facebook Messenger, try to mirror that message on social media and tell her. So for example, if I'm messaging someone on Facebook, hi, hello, Jaime, I'm messaging you about blank and blank. By the way, I also sent this exact message on email in case you'd like to reply there instead. Right? In this way, you give the person an option if they prefer to keep their social media platforms private. Okay? Because let's face it, guys, between emails and social media platforms, privacy could be an issue for some customers. And so they would rather graduate the conversation to email. Number two, if you happen to be messaging on social media, another option is to leave your email address or your mobile number. Never end a conversation without doing that. And say something like, I am reaching out to you because I'm unable to send you an email or I'm unable to send you an SMS. However, if you're interested to talk further, here is my email address and here is my mobile number. I'll be very happy to reach out. Okay. Can I get an exclamation mark? Do we see how, by the way, we call this as omni-channel engagement, right? Omni-channel engagement means you are not only engaging a client in one platform, you're trying to cover them 360 degrees with all the available means.